Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you're here for today's video, because if you've watched my latest small business vlogs, then you saw that I got a ton of Freshie supplies from Amazon. So I basically did like an Amazon haul video and I showed you guys all the supplies that I got, and then I made a bunch of Freshies and decorated the Freshies with all of those supplies that I got off of Amazon. But there was several things that hadn't come in the mail yet because they were like delayed or whatever. Well, I finally got all that stuff in. So today we are going to be making and decorating some Freshies with those Amazon supplies that I just got in. Alright y'all, so you're going to need your basic Carve Freshie supplies. So some aroma beads, mica pigment powder, fragrance oil, a baking sheet, scissors, elastic cord or other type of string to hang your Freshie with, some bags to store your Freshies in if you're not hanging them right away, and either cookie cutters or silicone molds. And then obviously whatever decorations you are decorating your Freshies with. Today, I'm gonna be baking a bunch of Freshies with those beads that we scented in one of my last small business vlogs. The rest of those Freshie supplies from Amazon came in, so we are gonna be testing out those today. So I got this mama mold that has like leopard print all around it. I also got this Morgan Wallen silicone mold, and then a bunch of other like random decorations. I got some pretty like glitter silver metallic fringe. I got this like neon rainbow fringe, and this is a pretty big pack of this, and I love these colors, so can't wait to use those. I got these like adorable little plastic cowgirl hats. I got these gorgeous chunky holographic glitters. And I also got some more of those fine point like needle tip squeeze bottles. We're going to be pouring some puppy paint and acrylic paints into some of these so that I can decorate these Freshies when we're done. I'm super stoked to try out all this new stuff, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I already have my oven set to 300 degrees, and because this is a silicone mold and it is about an inch deep, I'm going to put the timer starting at 14 minutes and we'll see if it's done after that. Alright guys, so our timer just went off, so let's check. Oh yeah, this Freshie is definitely done. I don't even need to do the finger test. I can just tell because the beads are melted down quite a bit. So while the Freshie is still hot, we're just going to take this metal spoon and go all the way around, pushing down all those jagged edges that are sticking up. Okay, and then we're going to let that completely cool before we are ready to demold it. Yeah, that looks done. So just in case it's your first Freshie video that you're ever watching, I check to see if my Freshies are done. I just tap the beads, and if the beads don't pull up with your finger, it's good. If they stick to your finger and they're kind of pulling up, put it back in for another couple minutes and check it again. So again, while it's still hot, we're gonna push down all of those little spikes along the edge there so we don't have to trim that later with a pair of scissors. And again, we're gonna let this completely cool before we're ready to demold it. So I already have some round cardstocks that I printed out and cut out ready to go. So I'm gonna do a couple of these. So I'm just placing that face down in this round silicone mold. Okay, you see how those beads are pulling up with my finger? That means it's not done. It needs to go back in for a couple more minutes. All right, y'all, now that I'm done baking all of my Freshies, now for my favorite part, we get to demold and decorate them. And for this one, I'm gonna decorate it with acrylic paint, but I'm gonna be putting some in these new needlepoint squeeze bottles that I got. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So I'm gonna be adding this Mountain Blue Apple Barrel acrylic paint, and this is matte acrylic paint. And what I like to do is slightly squeeze the bottle, and then you're gonna squeeze your acrylic paint into the bottle while like slowly letting go, so that it's like creating like a suction or like vacuum in there, and it sucks down the acrylic paint that we are pouring into the bottle. And voila. All right, so now I'm ready to decorate Morgan. All right, guys, so you remember those little plastic cowgirl hats that I got? So I'm going to be drilling a hole in the top of it. And you guys will see why in just a second. And now we have an adorable little cow freshie that has a little cowgirl hat on it. How adorable is that? Okay, and then I'm also gonna put a little hat on this little boot right here. I think that would be so cute. Alright, y'all, that's where I'm gonna leave you guys today. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And don't forget, I will be linking all of the supplies that I used today down in the video description for you all. And if you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I would greatly appreciate the follow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.